0 1 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2
Do you know the Muffin
3
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
4
Man? Do you know the Muffin Man
5
who lives on Drury Lane?
6
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man,
7
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who
8
lives on Drury Lane.
1 2 3 4
Do you know the Muffin Man, the
5
Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? Do you
6
know the Muffin Man who lives on
7
Drury Lane?
Yes, we
8
know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the
9
Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man, the Muffin
1
Man, the Muffin Man. Do you
2
know the Muffin Man who lives on
3
Drury Lane?
Yes, we know
4
the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the
5
Muffin Man. Yes, we know the Muffin Man
6
who lives on Drury Lane.
7 8 9
Do you
10
know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin
1
Man? Do you know the Muffin
2
Man who lives on Drury Lane?
3
Yes, we know the Muffin
4
Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man.
5
Yes, we know the Muffin Man who lives
6
on Drury Lane.
7